Hello, Atomians! Good afternoon to everyone here at the PUC. Parinig nga naman ang cheer ng PUC. Ayan, gising na gising, no? And hello to everyone watching in Cebu, in Baguio, and everyone tuning in live on Facebook and YouTube. So, I am Lorraine Bayer, Sharon Rose Master from Baguio CAP Center. Never have I imagined that one day I will get to earn automatic income from just shifting to a better, safer, and more economical brand for my family. So accountant po ako, no, nag-traditional business, pero never kong na-imagine na isang araw kikita ako mula sa pagsisipilyo ng ipin, pagligo, pag-inom ng kape, paggamit lahat ng products na diniscuss ni Mr. Reese kanina. Ano? So, gusto nyo bang kumita through system income? Pakitaas naman ang kamay. Siyempre, no, napakasimpleng konsepto at simple rin ang ating gagawin dito. All you have to do is really follow the system. So let's start, no, kung paano natin gagawin ang Atomy business. Okay. So Atomy is making network marketing history. Sabi nga natin, Atomy is rewriting the history of network marketing, no? Kasi hindi lang tayo yung typical na networking. We are also a platform business, no? And we are one of the fastest growing companies in the world. Yan ay pinapalakpakan, no? Nag-top 10 tayo 2 years ago, nung 13 years old pa lang, ang Atomy, kaka-teenager pa lang, top 10 agad. San ka pa, no? I have spoken to a network leader recently and yun ang sinabi niya, your company is very fast. So, hulaan nyo, sino ang na-recruit? Na-recruit ba niya ako doon? Or siya ang na-recruit ko dito? Ayan. Alam nyo na yung sagot, no? Hindi ba? Now, Atomy offers a well-balanced and righteous compensation plan, and this is the first step to fulfilling Atomy's management objective. Ano ang objective ng Atomy? To ensure everyone's success. Ano ang Tagalog ng everyone? Lahat. No? So, Miss Lorraine, paano kung consumer lang ako? Paano ako magiging successful as a consumer? Well, I mentioned earlier, you are using a better brand, a safer brand for your family, and a budget-friendly brand. Dun pa lang, panalong-panalo ka na. Now, if you convert to another level, meaning from consumer, you start sharing about your personal experience. Sabi nga ni Mr. Reese kanina, no, if you are gifted with something good, kailangan mong share. So when you start doing that, then blessings will follow. So ito na yon, no? Ano ang features and strengths of Atomy business kung bakit kailangan mong mag-convert into a business partner, no? First, we use the binary system. Pag sinabing binary, 2 legs lang yan, the left and the right. Ano po? So, napakaganda kasi madali lang. Sa ibang company po, no, ang binary is, in other companies, kailangan maraming headers. 7 headers, 21 headers. So, ibig sabihin, ang dami mong tututukan, which is not doable for an ordinary or a busy person. Yung mga supermen at superwomen lang ang nakakagawa nun. Now, in Atomy, kaya no qualifications tayo kasi very easy and madaling ma-monitor ang ating system. Number 2, can you read? No registration fee, no monthly maintenance fee, and no quota. Yun, no? Kaya pag may ibang company, sasabihin sa akin, Lorraine, sa amin, residual income din. Paano residual ka ako? Nagkukota kayo. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo bibitawan yung company mo hanggat gusto mong kumita. Sa Atomy, no? Magko-Korea tour yung mga Sharon Rose Masters this April, no? Pero continuous ang kanilang kita. Kasi wala namang quota, hindi ka tatawagan ni Atomy na, Miss Chelly, di ba? Kailangan mong tapusin yung quota mo para ma-earn mo yung income mo. Wala tayong ganon sa Atomy. So this is a business na later on pwedeng driverless, pwedeng iwan. No? Pero continuous ang PVs whether you like it or not. Yun ang maganda dyan. Number 3, pakibasa, unlimited accumulation. No, ito ay accumulation of point values, no? Dito ang maganda. No, I have tried a company before na per day may cut off ng pumapasok na kita. But in Atomy, pinuputol ba? Unlimited level yan. Hanggang sa ma-reach yung ceiling na babayaran lang ni Atomy. No, na later on you will see kung magkano yung per day na ceiling na income natin sa Atomy. And number 4, okay? So, infinite levels, unlimited accumulation of downlines. You know, pag you are talking to other network leaders, etong ibida nyo. Because in other companies, no, meron yung company na up to 10th level lang, ang 100% na babayaran. Pagdating ng 11th level, nagdi-diminish. Lumiliit yung kita. So, paano kung yung pangmalakasan mo, yung leader mo ay pinanganak sa 20th level? Kakaunti na yung kita mo, hindi ba? So, but in Atomy, kahit kaka-sign up mo kanina umaga, 100% nung in-add to cart niyang herb day, 100% nung points niya yon mag-accumulate sa inyong lahat. Napakaganda. Hindi ba? Now, number 5, Global One Marketing. Again, not all companies have this. No? So, in Atomy, you can connect as many as you can because of the unlimited downline level. And also, you can connect your loved ones from other countries as well. As of now, we are open in 27 branches, but we can sign up to 108 countries. From 108 countries, pwede na tayong mag-sign up. No? So, isang ID lang. Here in Atomy, you only need one account. Pag legally married kayo, one account lang kayo. Yun lang. No, yung iba, naku, one account lang. Dapat 7 headers, 21 headers para marami kita. Pero tanungin nyo, magkano ba yung maximum ng isang account nyo? I asked a network leader that. Sabi niya, ay, ang isang account namin, ang maximum income, 400,000 pesos. Sabi niya, very proud pa, no? Kayo, sabi niya, isang account lang kami. Pero ang maximum income namin, magkano? 5 million pesos. O natulala siya. Isa lang yung ima-manage mong account, pero 5 million ang pwedeng i-generate nun. Okay, which leads me to income ceiling. Yun yung ceiling income natin sa Atomy. Ay, may ceiling income. Oh, may mga ganyan ka, no? Na mamimit na other leaders. And then, but, yung ceiling income, kulang pa sa inyo yung 5 million monthly for 3 generations? Sapat na, no? Sapat na. Hindi na mabilang yon, hindi na ma-monitor yon. Marami nang matutulungan yon, no? And dahil sa ceiling income na yan, hindi ka mag-aalala na magsasara yung kumpanya natin. Dahil kung ano lang ang nararapat sa bawat isa, yun ang binibigay ng Atomy. So, as I've said earlier, 27 global branches tayo established. So wag na kayong magpauna sa iba. Sign up everyone you know in the countries that you see on the screen. Okay, now how to become a member? All you need is a person of reference. Sponsor po ang tawag doon. To be connected to the system, to the Atomy system. Now, anong requirements? Dapat 18 and above. Sino po yung mga 18 years old? May 18 years old ba tayo dito? Oh, and above kayong lahat. And above. Okay. So, we need the TIN or the TIN card and or any valid ID. Okay, ano ang TIN? Tax Identification Number. Yan, sinecheck ko lang kung nakikinig at gising. Okay? Now, we have 2 types of membership. So may mamimit ka, Lorraine, bibili lang ako sa'yo, hindi ko magagawa yan. Kasi alam niyo yung tao, nilapitan mo pa lang, di ka pala nagsasalita, iisipin nila, pagbebentahin mo na sila agad. Kaya inuunahan ka nila, bibili lang ako, consumer lang ako, okay lang. Then sign them up as a consumer. They still need a sponsor. Okay? If they are a consumer, kailangan, they only earn points from their personal consumption. Ang kailangan lang nila, basic information, ID is not required, okay? So, yun nga, PPV or personal point value accumulation lang sila, but they will not receive commission, okay? Now, whereas, pag distributor, that's why the consumers here, pag hindi ka pa na-convert as a distributor or a business member, please convert, okay? Kasi, dito, no, ang kailangan mo lang na ibigay ay yung iyong TIN and or any government ID. Okay. Dahil pag business consumer ka, you do not business member, you do not only accumulate personal points, but you also accumulate your downline points or your group point value, which I will be discussing later. So, makaka-receive ka ng commission if you are a business member or a distributor. Gusto nyo ba ng commission? Yes, okay. Di ba? Mas maganda yon kesa sa konsumisyon, hindi ba? Okay, now, so madali lang. You can convert anytime, no? Hindi yung may time frame na dapat 1 month ka munang consumer, then you can convert anytime. Nag-sign up ka as consumer ngayon, gusto mo bukas or after the seminar, mag-convert to business partner, you can do right away. Okay, now Atomy is a system where consumption becomes an income. Napakaganda, hindi ba? All you have to do is change Mart. No? Bakit ka ba solid sa iyong loyal sa iyong Mart ngayon, no? Kilala mo ba yung owner? Kaibigan mo ba? Ayan. You change Mart, no? For you to benefit not only from the high quality products but also from you can also earn commissions. Okay. So ganun lang kasimple. If you can see, change Mart and then you receive general commission. Pero hindi naman yung nag-change Mart ka lang, consumer ka lang, pero you did not share about the business, you did not build your 2 legs, hindi ka kikita syempre pag ganon. Kailangan you have to also build your consumer group. Okay. Now, paano kikita? But we have first to know these terms. Ano ang PV? What is PV? Point value. No, this is the criteria for determining conditions of commission distribution for members by assigning points to the products purchased. Lahat po ng products na binibili natin sa Atomy may points, except, alam niyo kung anong wala? Yung ating leaflet, yung gift bag, at yung dish dispenser. Okay? Baka sabihin mo, ma'am, bumili ako ng 10 gift bags. Ayan, 10 brochure. Wala pong points yung mga iyon. Okay. Now, conditions for achieving membership level, requirements for recognition of commission and mastership. Alam nyo yung income natin sa Atomy, hindi po fixed. Okay? So, nakadepende yan sa personal point value ninyo. Alright? The higher your point value, your personal point value, the higher your commission. No? Okay, so, if you are a new member, we encourage you to secure your 10,000 point value. Bakit? Mami, paano kung scrubber sponge lang muna binili ko? Now, if I were you, play safe ka dapat. Have your 10,000 PV para yung mga nasa ilalim, yung pag bumili sila, ma-accumulate mo. Now, sasabihin mo na naman, hindi pa naman ako nagsa-sign up, di pa ako nag-share, magta-try muna ako. Hindi ba? Minsan, madalas sinasabi nila yan, no? Pero ang sasabihin mo, di ba, hindi ka nga nag-share, pero may sponsor ka na active na nagdadugtong ng tao. So wag kang pauuna, papayag na maunahan kang mag-purchase sila at hindi yun akyat sa'yo. So have 10,000 PV and then you continue to use the products, change your entire household brand to Atomy brand. Once you reach 300,000 PV, you are anong tawag sa'yo pag may 300 personal point value ka? Agent, okay. Now, you upgrade to 700,000 PV. Anong tawag sa'yo? Special Agent. Ito na po yung PPV ng mga may mastership. Yung nag-umpisa na ng mastership nila. Next is Dealer, 1.5 million PPV. An exclusive distributor, 2.4 million PPV. Malalaman natin kung anong gamit niyan later. Okay. Now, 4 types of commission in Atomy. The General Commission, Mastership Bonus, Mastership Incentives or for Mastership Promotion, and then the Center Commission. Gusto nyo ba yung 4 na yan? O, kahit yung 3 lang, okay na kung wala kang center, hindi ba? Now, paano yung cut-off? Okay, we have accumulation period. Dapat ito po alam natin. No? From Wednesday to Tuesday. Makukuha mo ba agad sa Tuesday mismo ng endang cut-off yung commission mo? Hindi. The following Tuesday, very good, no? So, ganon, tandaan nyo po, hindi yung agad meron na ba akong commission? Yan, the following Tuesday. Okay, now, eto na, you have 10,000 points under your name. You have your left and right consumer group already. Pag nag-accumulate ng 300,000 points on the left and 300,000 points on the right, yung mga nasa ilalim mo, you earn how much? Approximately 800 pesos. No, meron akong member. Dumadami yung nasa ilalim niya, pero ayaw niyang mag-upgrade to agent. So twice na siyang nag-commission ng 660 pesos. Sayang naman, hindi ba? So you have to upgrade para ang kikitain mo, hindi lang yung ganong amount, but you will earn 2,400 pesos more or less pag ang personal point value mo ay nasa 300,000 PV, same scenario. Okay, now higher your PV, the higher your PV, 700,000 PV. So, nangyari yan, lumalaki din yung grupo mo. Darating yung panahon na ma-experience mo to sa isang araw. 700,000 PV on the left, 700,000 PV on the right. Kailangan isang araw mangyari to, ha? Then you will get an approximate amount of, more or less, no? Approximate na, more or less pa, 5,000 pesos. Now, there are other levels as well, but we'll jump straight to the ceiling ng per day, okay? So if you have 2.4 million personal points, no, 50 million PV on the left and 50 million group PV accumulates on the right, magkano ang pwede mong kitain? Pakibasa naman. 60,000 pesos. Gusto niyo ba yon araw-araw? Yes, marami na pong kumikita din yan dito sa Atomy, no? Now, ano yung diniscuss ko kanina? That's only the general commission. Now, let's go to mastership bonus. Kaya po ako nandito sa Atomy dahil dito. Ano? That's why I gave my all to Atomy already because of this. No? I get to earn 2 times bonus, no? In a month. So that means 24 times kang magbobonus sa isang taon. Gusto niyo ba yon? 24 times magbonus sa isang taon. Na nagsisipilyo lang ang ginagawa. Okay. Now, we have 7 masterships. No, we have the Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, and Imperial Master. Sino ang may goal ng Imperial? Pakitaas ang kamay. Ayan, dapat tinataas, no? Kasi pag hindi nahiya ka pa, saan ka dyan? Sa Crown? Ayan. Okay. No? So first, pero bago mag-Imperial, kailangan mo nang mag-Sales Master. Okay, to be a Sales Master, your PPV should be 700,000 PV, okay? And then you have to accumulate in 2 weeks, okay? Mastership Challenge ang tawag natin. And it happens in 2 weeks. Twice a month siya na cycle, di ba? First cycle is 1 to 15th or second cycle, 16th to kailan? End of the month. Ano po? So, when this happens, pag nag-accumulate ka ng 2.5 million PV on the left and 2.5 million PV on the right, in 15 days, ikaw ay mapropromote to Sales Master. Okay. No? Sabi ko, you know, nung nag-uumpisa ako sa Atomy, medyo marami-rami akong reklamo. Sabi ko, ang bilis naman ng 15 days na yan. Sa company pinanggalingan ko, 1 buwan kami nag-iipon ng points. Di ba? But after some time, no, umaakyat na yan ng normal sa akin na 8 days, 10 days. Kaya sabi ko, buti na lang pala ang cut-off every 2 weeks. Hindi ko na kailangan antayan ng 30 days para magka-bonus sa Atomy. No? Okay, next is Diamond Master. To be a Diamond Master, you have to have a personal point value of 1.5 million PV and 2 Sales Masters on the left and 2 Sales Masters on the right. Kailangan, no, pag sa Diamond Master, sabay-sabay yung Sales Master. So pag Sales Master, okay, balik tayo. Sa Sales Master, ang kikitain niya ay more or less 40,000 pesos and you will get promotion incentive. Ito pag unang, hindi to every time mag-Sales Master katong products, ha? Promotion incentive ito. Minsan lang to. So you get Himo-Him, the Fame Set, and Evening Care Set. Okay. Now next, Diamond Master. Diamond Master, more or less ang kikitain mo dito ay around 80,000. Yung iba umaabot ng 100,000. And then you get also the 3 products, the Himo-Him, the Evening Care, and the Fame Set. And a brand new laptop amounting to more than 40,000 pesos. Gusto niyo ba ng laptop? Mag-Diamond Master kayo. Ayan. Okay, next is Sharon Rose Master. No? 2 Diamond Masters on the left, 2 Diamond Masters on the right. Personal point value should be 2.4 million PPV. And more or less, alam niyo ba magkano ang General Commission at Mastership Bonus ng isang Sharon Rose Master? 250,000 pesos. more or less 250 plus your promotion incentive, bibigyan ka ng 80,000, yun po yung winawagayway, no? Pero hindi po totoong pera yon. Ha? Kaya sa mga nag-aabang, na titingin yung 80,000, nakadeposit na po yun sa bank account nung Sharon Rose Master, no? And then 2 travel tickets to Jeju Island, Korea. So excited na ba yung ating mga Sharon Rose na next batch na pupunta sa Jeju Island? Nako, hindi ba? Parang gusto ko sumama. Okay. Next is Star Master to Sharon Rose Masters on both legs. Okay. And 2.4 pa rin yung PPV. So hindi ka na kailangang mag-upgrade, no? From Sharon 2.4 na yan hanggang Imperial. All you have to do is just buy one product under your name once a year para to keep your account active. Yung mga repurchases mo, ipamigay mo na sa ilalim, hindi ba? Ko-commission mo pa. Iyon. Now, a Star Masters General Commission and Mastership bonus in 2 weeks, magkano? 500,000 pesos. Plus, 400,000 na cash incentive and 4 travel tickets to Saipan, pag Philippine members. No? Next is Royal Master, 2 weeks General Commission and Mastership bonus, 1 million pesos. And then you also get a debit card amounting to 80,000 for sponsorship activities, a car rental fee of 40,000, and a cash incentive of 2 million pesos. So kulang-kulang, around 3 million pesos. Pag ikaw ay Royal Master, gusto nyo 3 million? Yes, why not, no? So abutin natin yan. Next is, ano yung next? Crown Master. Crown Master, same, no? 2 Royal Masters on the left and right. And then, Europe Tour. No, kanina sa Royal, meron din, no? Yung 4 travel tickets to Europe. Now, sa Crown Master, may 4 travel tickets ka ulit to Europe. Yung debit card mo, upgraded to 200,000. Meron ka ng kotse ngayon na worth 2,560,000 pesos. Bayad po ng Atomy ang coaching yan, no? Hindi yan down paymentan niya, tapos ikaw na yung installment. May alam ba kayong ganon? Ayan. Okay. Bayad po yan, cash yan, no? Binayaran na yan ni Atomy, ibibigay na lang sa'yo yung coaching yon. And ano ang kulang? Meron tayong cash incentive na 12 million pesos, no? Eh, General Commission mo sa Crown Master, nasa 1.5 million na in 2 weeks. May 12 million ka pa and all those promotion incentives. Ano? And the last, Imperial. Imperial Master 2 weeks. General Commission Mastership bonus ay nasaan? Magkano? 2.5 million pesos. Then, travel ka ulit, 4 travel tickets ulit to Europe, 11 days, 4 nights. Yung debit card mo, 400,000 na. No, may kotse ka na naman, 3.8 million ang value this time. At mag-hire ka ng driver. Magkano sweldo ng driver? 80,000 pesos. Kaya sabi ko sa asawa ko, pag ako nag-Imperial Master, may 80,000 ka. Oh. Hindi niya alam. Kaya huwag kayo maingay. Hindi niya alam sa akin yung 2.5 million to 5 million monthly. Kaya, hindi nyo siya nakikita sa seminar para hindi niya alam yun. Ha? So, wag nyo sasabihin. Okay? May 80 mil na siya, masaya na siya doon. Okay? So, what else? Atomy will provide you an office space with secretary and eto na. Yung hinahangad natin, narinig mo na ba ang alamat ng forklift? Ayan. Pag di pa, hindi ka man nag-seminar. You will get 40 million pesos as cash incentive. Pakitaas ang kamay ng gustong kumita niyan. Yan. Why not? Diba? Why not? No? Minsan ang Pilipino talaga no? Pag nagdi-dream na nga, discounted pa rin, no? Hindi discounted pa rin. Okay, eto yung total. Kung hindi ka pa nalula sa mga numero kanina, malula ka lalo. Kasi ang total na cash incentive ay 54,480,000. Lahat po yan ibibigay ni Atomy. Kung gusto mo. Kung ayaw mo, okay lang din. Ayan. Okay. Now, we also have the Atomy Success Club. We have the Auto Sales Master Club. If you can see the pin, no, yung pin ko po. How to achieve this pin? You have to achieve Sales Master for 12 times in a year. Na-excite na sila. Ayan. Okay, next is, ano yung next? Pakibasa? Leaders Club. Magkano po ang Leaders Club? 4 million in 1 year. Next is Royal Leaders Club. Magkano Royal Leaders Club? 8 million in a year. And Crown Leaders Club, 16 million in a year. No, mangyayari po sa atin yan. Paano mangyayari yan? All you have to do is to plug into the Atomy Success System. Kailangan, alam mo ang gagawin mo. Kailangan matuto ka mula sa mga experience ng mga successful Atomians para hindi mo na uulitin yung mga pagkakamali nila. Hindi ba? So you have to join seminars. As of this moment, we have an ODS in Bacolod. Kaya nandun sina Sir Eric and other leaders. Now, join webinars also. Our Thursday ODS is broadcasted online, live, no? So walang excuse. Kung di ka makapunta dito, pwede ka pa rin mag-seminar. Success Academy, nung Friday lang, nagkita-kita tayo. Sino yung nag-attend ng Friday? Ayan, congratulations sa inyo. And today is one-day seminar. Please attend all these seminars and learn the ropes of the trade. Para naman, lahat ng mga numerong yon mai-deposit sa iyong bank account at hindi sa bank account ng katabi mo. Ha? Okay, pa-Gcash na lang, sasabihin mo sa kanya. No, dapat own account mo. Okay, so I think that's it for my time this afternoon. Thank you all for listening. To God be all the glory. Maraming salamat po.